Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Uncle Frank, and I am not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Recently, I did a video including a segment about one of Trump's buddies from Dubai that wants to make a $20 billion investment in new data centers in the US, and that investment could double to $40 billion. Anyway, that's just one reason I think the data center business is going to heat up. The other reason is obviously AI and quantum computing. Anyway, I put together a folder and began researching names, but I chose one that I'm going to go with to get exposure to the field moving forward, and I'm really glad I did. Not investment advice or advisor, but the symbol is DTCR, the Global X Data Center and Digital Infrastructure ETF, and it follows companies that build and run the backbone of our online world. Started in October of 2020, the fund now manages roughly $160 million, investing in companies that run data centers and build the networks we use to communicate. The fund spreads its money across different parts of the world. Most of it, 67.4%, stays in the US. The next largest portion, 17.7%, is allocated to China, and then 5.2% to Singapore. This mix helps catch both steady and fast-growing opportunities in digital real estate. I got excited when Bar Chart came out with this piece today. One data center ETF to buy hand over fist as Trump promises $20 billion in funding. President-elect Donald Trump's $20 billion plan to invest in data centers is setting the stage for big changes in U.S. technology infrastructure. Backed by UAE-based DAMAC properties, this initiative will help bring advanced data centers to key states like Texas, Arizona, Illinois, and Michigan. The timing couldn't be better, with artificial intelligence and cloud computing growing rapidly and reshaping industries across the board. AI is expanding at an incredible pace, with the global market expected to grow to $364 billion at a yearly rate of 11.39% by 2034. Its impact is being felt everywhere, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and retail, with generative AI alone projected to add $1.3 trillion by 2032. Cloud computing is also becoming essential for businesses globally, with spending on public cloud services forecast to double by 2028 from $805 billion in 2024. These technologies are changing how industries work while creating a huge need for data centers that can handle heavy workloads and keep everything running smoothly. The rapid rise of AI and cloud computing highlights why building strong digital infrastructure is so important. One great way to tap into this growth is through the Global X Data Center and Digital Infrastructure ETF, or DTCR, which focuses on companies leading the way in data center technology. I'm long this ETF and will add on dips, dollar cost averaging my way into a nice long-term winner, hopefully. This is not investment advice. I am not an investment advisor. I will never tell you to buy, sell, or hold any security or cryptocurrency, including this one. There's the weekly chart on your screen of DTCR going back to 2023. It closed today at 1638, up 21 cents or 1.30%, but that article has it pumping after hours, up another 37 cents at the time of this recording, or 2.26%. As I said, I will be adding to this one on dips going forward because this gives me exposure to a business that's only going to grow. I'm going to be carefully watching that $16 level. I suggest you do the same. See that white line I added for you? On your screen is Uncle Frank's ISO watch list. It's 6:35 Central. My positions in the folder are highlighted in red, the largest being XRP. My first XDC, 0.1112, up 11.57% over the past 24 hours and 20.28% over the past 7 days. Algorand, 0.3731, up 6.34% over the past day. XRP, 2.67, up 5.62% over the past 24 hours, but up 15.73% over the past 7 days. HBAR, 0.2897, 5.49% gain over the past 24 hours. Stellar XLM, 0.4298, up 2.27% over the past 24 hours. And I have a position in Ripple stablecoin RLUSD. XRP sees high buying pressure as lawyer weighs in on SEC's appeal against Ripple. XRP's strong resilience against the wider crypto market decline was strengthened by increased buying activity across retail and institutional investors. By the way, guys, the SEC's delay in filing an opening brief in the appeal is a normal occurrence in the litigation process. XRP could rally to a new all-time high above 450, but faces a key resistance hurdle at 290. Ripple's XRP maintained a green outlook on Monday, rising more than 4% in the past week, while other assets experienced a decline. Despite the positive price momentum, a retired securities lawyer noted that the SEC's delay in submitting its opening brief for the appeal against Judge Annalisa Torres's Ripple versus SEC ruling is common during litigation. XRP investors continue buying activity as lawyer sheds light on the SEC's appeal. XRP investment products globally recorded over 41 million in inflows last week per CoinShares data. The inflows helped the remittance-based token to show resilience last week despite the lackluster performance of other top crypto assets. On the weekly time frame, only XRP trades in the green among the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. The price performance is supported by XRP net outflows across top exchanges. Unlike crypto ETFs, outflows in exchanges signify rising bullish momentum and vice versa for a decline. In the past week, exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and OKX have recorded XRP outflows of 82 million, 63 million, and 59 million. However, US-based XRP investors seem more cautious in their behavior as Coinbase recorded over 65 million in inflows. Meanwhile, attention has turned to the January 15th deadline for the SEC to file its opening brief for its appeal against Judge Torres's final ruling in the Ripple versus SEC case. While XRP community members have suggested that the agency may not continue with the appeal since it has failed to file an opening brief in the past 3 months, retired securities lawyer Mark Fagel suggests otherwise. In an X post on Monday, Fagel clarified that it's normal for lawyers to delay filing a brief until it's due. Quote, "In 30 years of litigation, the number of times I saw a lawyer, public or private sector, file a brief before it was due was roughly zero," wrote Fagel. That's not the SEC, that's just litigation. He also added that a new SEC administration could vote to dismiss the appeal even if the agency files a brief on January 15th, but it would be a highly unusual move. SEC Chair Gary Gensler and Commissioner Caroline Crenshaw are expected to depart the agency on January 20th following Donald Trump's presidential inauguration. Trump has nominated former pro-crypto SEC Commissioner Paul Atkins to take over the reins from Gensler. Okay, you guys don't tune in for me to read articles. You tune in for my call. So here it is. In my mind, there are only three possible outcomes for tomorrow. We could get a nothing burger. It's delayed until after the new chair of the SEC is sworn in. XRP may drop. Crypto market could follow. It could be good news. The case is over. The SEC gives up. XRP rallies. The crypto market rallies. Everyone is overjoyed. Or door number three. We're filing an appeal, and we want to waste everyone's time for another year. XRP drops. Crypto markets may follow it down in sympathy. Well, I'm going with door number three, and for good reason. Gensler is a petulant child. He hates to lose, and I can't see one reason for him to be gracious on his way out, especially to the XRP army or Ripple. Having said that, under those circumstances, I would buy the dip, and for a very good reason. I believe XRP will make a new high in 2025. That means over $4 per token. So any price under 3 is still a viable trade for me. But there's more. Guys, understand that no matter what happens on Wednesday, Friday evening is the first ever crypto inaugural ball. The new crypto czar will be speaking at the event. Crypto giants are rallying at the event, energized by President-elect Trump's pro-crypto agenda and plans to position the U.S. as a blockchain leader, hosted by BTC Incorporated and co-hosted by Stand with Crypto, Exodus, Anchorage Digital, and Kraken. The black tie event runs from 8 p.m. to midnight. Guests will enjoy cocktails and hors d'oeuvres as part of the celebration of the 60th presidential inauguration and the new administration's leadership. Sponsorship for the event comes from industry heavyweights including Coinbase, Sui, Miston Labs, MetaMask, Galaxy, Ondo, Solana, MetaPlanet, Mara, Satoshi Action Fund, MicroStrategy, Nano, DSA, eToro, Uniswap Labs, Nexo, and Robinhood Crypto. The Super PAC MAGA will be in attendance. Can you imagine the kind of tweets we could get from an event like this over the weekend? A weekend that leads into Trump being inaugurated, Gensler leaving the SEC, a new crypto czar, and a crypto-friendly chair added to the SEC. Do you realize the stock and bond markets will be closed Monday because it's MLK Day? Yeah, you could only trade crypto Monday, baby. It's crypto is king for a day. We could have the biggest rally in crypto history, or it could be a nothing burger too. But I bet I got you thinking now. Now, adding to all that excitement, breaking today, Trump could sign crypto-related executive orders on day one. Now, as I'm wrapping this video for the night, XRP is spiking up to 2.78, up over 9% for the day. What I hope this is smart money buying before tomorrow's case info drops, but that may not be the case. We'll have to wait and see. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.